In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a photo in Lightroom the right way, and I'll also clear up the difference between saving your edits and exporting your final image. This is one of the most important things to understand in Lightroom, because Lightroom automatically saves your edits for you, but that does not mean your photo is already downloaded to your computer. If you want the actual image file on your PC, you need to export it. So if you've ever wondered why your edited photo seems to disappear or where the final saved file goes, this tutorial will make everything simple. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Lightroom and make sure the photo you want to save is already edited the way you want it. Lightroom works a little differently from other apps because your changes are usually saved automatically in the project, so you do not need to press a traditional save button every time you make an adjustment. That means your edits are stored, but the file is not yet exported as a downloadable image. To actually save the photo to your computer, look to the top right corner of Lightroom and click the share icon. This is the button that opens the export options, and it is the step most people use when they want to get a finished photo out of Lightroom. Once you click share, a menu will appear, and from there you need to click export. This is where Lightroom prepares your image as a final file that you can use outside of the app. After that, you'll see the export settings. Here, you can choose the file type, and the most common options are JPEG or PNG. If you want a smaller file that works well for sharing online, JPEG is usually the best choice. If you want a higher quality file with transparency support in certain cases, PNG may be the better option. Next, choose the quality level. If you want the best balance between image quality and file size, set the quality higher, especially for finished photos you plan to post or archive. If you are exporting for quick sharing, you can lower it a little to reduce the file size. Then choose the location where you want the photo to be saved. This is important because Lightroom will export the file to the folder you select, so make sure you pick a place you can easily find later, like your Downloads folder, desktop, or a specific photo folder. After you have chosen the file type, quality, and location, double-check everything one more time. If all your settings look good, click Export. Lightroom will then process the image and save the final version to your selected location on your computer. Once the export is complete, your photo is now officially saved as a real file that you can upload, share, print, or backup anywhere you like. And just to make this super clear, here's the quick tip you need to remember. Lightroom automatically saves your edits inside the app, but export is what creates the actual file on your PC. So if you only edit the photo and close Lightroom, your work is still mahfoud within the project. But if you want to use that photo outside Lightroom, you must export it. That's the key difference. So the full process is really simple. Click the share icon, click export, choose your file type, quality, and location, then click export again to finish. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you save a photo in Lightroom, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.